Alright guys, so things aren't looking so hot for Chainsaw Man DVD and Blu-ray sales in Japan because as of the recording of this video guys, unfortunately copies of Chainsaw Man's Blu-ray has only sold about 1,700 copies. Yes, unfortunately everybody, you heard me right. As of the recording of this video, Chainsaw Man's DVD release has only sold 1,700 copies. Now this could be because Chainsaw Man seems to be more catered over here to us than to us over here in North America. But again, everybody, unfortunately, Chainsaw Man's DVD and Blu-ray release numbers aren't good because it has sold a meager 1,700 copies. And this could spell not so good news on the wall for Chainsaw Man. Still hopeful season 2, but with just a DVD release number count of 1,700 copies so far, the things could get a little ugly for Denji and crew. Again, everybody, unfortunately, as of right now, Chainsaw Man's DVD sales have only reached 1,700. Have a good one.